it's the 26th of June, and yeah, just another rants from the car video here. I kind of have a fun time doing these after the training session. I either do them when I'm going to the gym or when I'm coming home from the gym. So today, on my way back from the gym, and shooting this video here for you guys. So today was a day to journal once again. First, basically, we did 6 trades today. Well, 5 trades, but there's actually 6 trade calls. We got, I think it was gold in US30 or something. So yeah, there were 6 trade calls today. And actually, the gold trade, one of the VIP members said, hey, there's a trade in gold. So some people took that as well. Like, I know he took it, right? But yeah, our first trade today, guys, for me was a freaking disaster. For some of the members, they got out with profit. I've been talking to people about it, and some people lost, like, you know, basically when I said, hey, I'm getting out, they got out as well. And it went so, it didn't really go super far against me. It's just that the software TradingView on my end messed up. So I couldn't even see the position. Like, it didn't say I was in the trade. And then finally I looked at my balance and I'm like, holy shit, my balance is up 600 bucks. And I'm like, what the hell? I don't have a trade on my chart, even though I clicked the button to get it in the trade. So some people, I said, oh, my balance is up like 600 bucks. And then I guess some people just sold because they're thinking, oh, that's a lot. He's going to click sell soon. So some people sold and they actually made good profit on that trade. It was basically 1 minute candle, but the candle was really big and it was in I think it was US30. It was our first trade anyways. I'm pretty sure US30. And then immediately it turned, so it was a liquidity sweep. Immediately it turned and went against us. So by the time I got into my account to manually close the trade, like click on open positions and then close out the trade, it was minus like 1,800 bucks, $1,900. And when I clicked the X button to get out of the trade, guys, it was minus $2,200 from that one trade. But here's the thing. I was trading on a 150K account, but still that's half of the allowed drawdown in that account. The end of the day, I ended up being ahead 618 bucks. I'll put all my trades below because I know that seems kind of crazy. Like, holy shit, the first trade you're down 2,200 bucks and the end of day you're up 618 or whatever. I think it's 618 bucks or so. So yeah, I'll put all my trades below or in the I think I could put an image in with this post here beside the video. But yeah, it was freaking crazy. Just a crazy day. So we had that one trade that was a loss, but some people made profit and then some people sold when I'm like, I'm getting out now. I can get out, guys. I figured it out, how to close the trade. And yeah, so some people took the big hit on that first trade, and then some people actually took profit on it. And then the rest of the session, every single trade was profitable. So for some people, guys, today was freaking amazing. For me, it was good, but not like $618 on 150K accounts. Not that great. It'd be like making, well, that divided by 3 would be your 50K account. So, you know, a couple $100 or whatever. Still a good day, but not like anything to be like woo woo about. But some people had a woo woo day today, which was good. And then some people actually, because they just did 3 trades, they actually had a loss today, a very small loss, right? So I talked to one guy. He said he had a $50, I think 54 bucks loss today. So yeah, it was like from one extreme to the other. I think some people had an amazing day and some people had a, you know, because the people that took profits on the first trade, they would have had 5 trades in a row that are profitable, which would be, you know, a pretty nice day for them there. So that's it for this video. I just wanted to do that one pretty quick and just leave with this is, even though I feel like that's not really my fault, it's like a technical issue. It's really, if I want to think of it, it's probably TradingView's fault or whatever. I can't like pinpoint like whose fault is it. It could be the broker, it could be TradingView. It's one or the other. But what I learned from this today is, so this is how I solved it. And it was actually a recommendation from one of the members is halfway through the session, when I was talking about it and all this, the member said in the text chat box, you should try logging out of your account and then logging back in, because it kept on happening to me, guys. Like, I would get in a trade and wouldn't show the trade, and the trade would show up like 5 seconds later or something, and it's like, that's not good. But yeah, so I logged out of my account and then I logged back into my account, and my account was fine. Like I could click the button and everything was good again. So I'm gonna write that down in my trade journal, and for the next like 4 or 5 days, I'm just gonna take a small trade before I start the trading session. Like I'll just do a buy or sell on one lot and just make sure everything's okay. Because yeah, it threw my mind off for the rest of the trading session. Like I was like, I couldn't talk properly. I was just kind of like not like in the game, even though we had like 5 profits in a row after that. But yeah, I just wasn't there. I didn't have the feeling of what I normally feel like when I'm trading, just because it was like our first trade was like, oh my God, like, you know, it was a disaster for me. Luckily it didn't happen to anyone else, and that's why I think it was just like a technical error there for the trading view or trade evade or something, right? So yeah, that's it for today's video, and I'll see you guys on Sunday. Everyone's invited to the Q&A, and also we'll do some live trading or a trade setup, whatever happens. It's only 30 minutes, right? So we might not get a trade within that 30 minutes. 8 p.m. EST on Sunday night. If you look at the calendar, you'll see the live there. It's open to every single member. But yeah, we'll get a trade or a trade setup over that 30 minutes there, and then you can come to me with any questions you have, you know, if you want to ask about the VIP or, you know, anything like that, right? So that's it. See ya. Bye-bye.